In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print in color on Google Docs. If you've opened a document in Google Docs and you want the final printed version to keep its colored text, highlights, charts, or images, the good news is that the process is very simple. The main thing you need to do is make sure the printer settings are set to color instead of black and white. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Start by opening your document in Google Docs. Once you're ready to print, go to the top left corner of the screen and click File, then choose Print. This opens the Print Setup window, where you'll be able to review your printer and adjust the settings before sending the document to print. If a System Print dialog appears instead of a Google Docs preview page, that's completely normal. The important part is that you continue into the printer settings. Next, look for the color option. Depending on your browser, computer, or printer model, this setting may appear right away, or it may be inside a section called More Settings, Preferences, Printer Properties, or something similar. Take a moment to scan the available options carefully. The wording can vary slightly, but you're looking for the setting that controls whether the printer uses color ink or prints only in grayscale. Once you find that option, select color instead of black and white. This step is what tells the printer to use color when producing the document. If your document includes colored headings, logos, charts, links, or images, the setting helps preserve that appearance on paper. If the color option looks unavailable, double check that you've selected a printer that actually supports color printing, since some printers are set up for monochrome output only. After that, click Print. Your document will then be sent to the printer using the color settings you selected. If everything is set correctly, your printed pages should come out in color rather than in black and white. As a quick tip, if the print still comes out without color, it's worth reopening the print window and checking the setting one more time, since some printers remember a previous black and white preference. You may also want to confirm that your printer has enough color ink available. And that's all it takes to print in color on Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.